Hello, I'm Ted Nelson with Hutchrec and Salt City Splash. We hope this message finds you healthy and well. If you're like us, you're eagerly anticipating the start of summer. And with summer comes swim lessons. We'd like to take this opportunity to share some information about our swimming lessons and answer some frequently asked questions. To begin, if you're viewing this presentation with your phone, be sure to turn it sideways or landscape for best viewing. Also, be sure to turn your phone sound on. We'll be answering the following questions for you. What lessons are offered? When are lessons offered? What is the cost of swim lessons? For what ages do you offer lessons? How do I choose the correct level? How do I register? And more. One of our most asked questions is, with recent events, are you still planning to hold swim lessons this summer? The answer is, at this time, yes. Swim lessons are set to begin in mid-June. As you know, things can change. So be sure to follow Salt City Splash on Facebook for updates and further information. How do I view swim lesson opportunities? To begin, start at hutchrec.com. Once there, click on the pull-down menu to Hutchrec Facilities. Then choose Salt City Splash. As you scroll down the page, you'll see information about our swimming lessons, including our swim lessons flyer. Click to download. With our flyer, you will see information about the cost of swim lessons, the session dates, the various levels, and the times that swim lessons are provided. When are swim lessons held? Our lessons are arranged in 2-week sessions. We offer 3 of those sessions each summer. We have both morning and evening lessons available. Our swim lessons are held each day, Monday through Thursday. Where are swim lessons held? We're proud to offer our swim lessons at the Salt City Splash Aquatic Center in Cary Park. Our younger levels are in the shallow pool, which is from 0 depth up to 3.5 feet. And our older levels, including parent and child classes, are held in the 50-meter pool. How much do swim lessons cost? Swim lessons are $34 per participant, and each child receives 2 weeks or 8 class times. For what ages do you offer swim lessons? We start as young as 6 months old. For those babies between 6 and 24 months old, you'll enroll them in Little Splashers, which is a parent and child class. For toddlers who are between 2 and 3 years old, you'll enroll them in Tadpole Toddlers, also a parent and child class. For children between 4 and 5 years old, you'll enroll them in preschool. This is the first level without a parent in the water. For some 6-year-olds, they'll enroll in level 1. This is for 6-year-olds who have not yet had swim lessons or have some fear of the water. Other 6-year-olds should enroll in level 2. This is for 6-year-olds who have completed preschool levels and do not have reservations about the water. Those children who are 7 or more years old may enroll in levels 3 through 6. Check key guidelines to find the appropriate skill level, which we'll be doing next. We also offer swimming lessons for adults. They're available for beginners and for those looking to improve. How do I choose the correct level for my child? Begin by using our swim lessons flyer and starting first with their age. Remember, those who are between the ages of 6 months through 24 months should start with the Parent and Child Aquatics in the Little Splashers program. Those who are between the ages of 2 and 3 would start with Tadpole Toddlers. As you can see, there are various times available, one in the morning and some in the evening. For those children who are between 4 and 5-year-old, you would choose preschool aquatics. Preschool is the first level in which parents are not in the water with the child. This is for children able to participate without the parent, and the instructor actually works with each child at his or her ability level. There are 3 inherent levels built into preschool. Those levels include those that need support, those that only need assistance, and those who can swim independently. Those 3 levels are built inside of preschool. Once a child's done with preschool, then they should proceed on to level 2. Remember that once a child is done with preschool, they should not go to level 1 because that's for 6-year-olds who have not had swim lessons before and they may have some fear of the water. Once a child is done with preschool aquatics and they turn 6 years old, level 2 is the best for them. Take a look at the key guidelines. Those children can place their face in the water and they can do the front and back float and glide without support. For the other levels, starting with level 3, use key guidelines to see if your child fits. First, are they comfortable in deeper water and can they do strokes on their back? Also, they should be ready to learn head first entries, diving. For those looking to go into level 4, they should be able to use rotary breathing, that's turning your head to the side, while performing the front crawl, and they should be able to swim at least 25 yards without support or assistance. Those going into level 5 should be able to swim at least 50 yards without support or assistance. They should be able to tread water for 2 minutes, and they should be able to demonstrate the 6 strokes: the front and back crawl, elementary backstroke, breaststroke, butterfly, and side stroke. For those individuals going into level 6, they should be competent in all 6 strokes and have passed the skills listed in level 5. How do I register online? Again, begin at hutchrec.com or our Salt City Splash page. From there, you can click register online, or up in the banner, you can click on register now. Once you're on this page, click on continue to ActiveNet. Then click on sign in. If you've ever enrolled in a HutchRook program online before, you have a login and password. Enter it here. If you don't remember, use the tools for forget your login name or forget your password. If you have not enrolled online before, click on create a new account. Be sure to check your email to confirm the creation of your new account. Once you have your login and your password, be sure to click on I'm not a robot and log in. From there, you can click on View My Account. Inside of View My Account, you have some features such as register for activities and For those of you who have had your children in swimming lessons before, you can check to see whether they've passed or not by using Activity Grades List. Once you click on that, you'll be able to see your child and what level they passed and when they passed it. When you click on Register for Activities, it takes you to all of our various activities. To narrow down your search, select the activity category on the left and choose Aquatics. This will list only those activities that have to do with aquatics. You can further search by putting in the level that you're looking for. Level 3, for example. Some of the first levels are offered over at the Bueller Pool. Others are offered at Salt City Splash. Once you were to find the level that you'd like, make sure it's also the session that you want. You can click on each one for more information. You can see the dates that it starts, the times that you picked, and some more information inside the description. If this is the level and the time and the session that you're looking for, you can add it to your cart. It will now ask you who is enrolling. Choose the family member that you're actually placing in those swimming lessons. If you can't find the right person, you can create a new family member or friend right there and add them to your family. Once you've selected the person, then you can answer how you heard about this, and you can view what's in your cart. If you have more to register, for example, another session or another child, you can add to cart and continue shopping. Can I register my child in more than one session? Yes. Participants frequently enroll in more than one session. For example, some might enroll them in level 2 and then again in the next session at level 3. Or they could enroll them in level 3 and then again in level 3. It is common for participants to take each level twice. What if I need to change the level in which my child is enrolled? If it's before the session deadline day, contact me at Hutch Rec. Contact information and the final slide. If it's on the first day of lessons, please first communicate with your instructor. Please remember, we can only move your child to another level or time if there's room. What if lessons are canceled due to weather? Lessons are held each Monday through Thursday. If the lessons are canceled, thunderstorms, or it's too cold, then we will make up that cancellation on the following Friday. Fridays are designated as makeup days. Do you offer private lessons? Yes. Contact me for more information. For further questions or any other questions you may have, feel free to contact me at this email, tnelson@hutchrec.com, or you can call me at 620-662-3367. Thank you very much. We hope you enroll in swim lessons and we hope the summer gets here soon.